afternoon. It is March 27th, Saturday, 2021. We made it through 2020. And this is going to be the first video of the year for Bros and Hoes. And we've got some changes here I want to talk about really quick. And this will be a short video, but just want to walk through how things are going to be a lot different this year when it comes to land. As I'm showing you right here, I'm showing you the plots that we had last year and all the years previously. We had this section over here, which unfortunately is going to be either some engineers are coming out from the township and going to be doing something over here to maybe prep it to expand the cemetery at some point in time. So I don't know if they're just doing surveying or what, so we can't use it this year, but total bummer because, you know, last year we prepped the soil over here. I mean, we put a ton of leaves, ton of debris, food scraps, just about everything that we could to kind of, you know, condition that soil as much as we possibly could for this year. And this would have all been our area right here and this right here too. They shrunk the plots this year and they're by half. So, excuse me. John and I, it's a little windy, I'm sure you're going to be hearing that. John and I got a plot each, and they're half the size this year. So we're almost back to what we originally had our very first 2 years here, to where we have this and that, but now it's split in the middle. So we only, technically, if you took this whole plot and you turned it sideways, it would be the regular size of a plot. So it's like it's 25 by 25, I think. I'll have to walk it, but or measure it out, but I'm pretty sure each plot's 25 by 25 this year, as opposed to 25 by 55 last year. Still 38 plots. There's plenty of people that were on the waiting list, and so instead of kicking a bunch of people out, the township decided to, or city, sorry, not township. City decided to shrink the lot sizes in half so that they could get everybody in here and accommodate everyone. What's really strange is, secretly, I think we're getting the shaft on the last one here because it looks like it's, they tilled it up, but it's actually smaller than the one before it. So we've got plot 37 and plot 38. And we used to have it to where we had the bees and stuff, but it doesn't look like that. We're going to have that space this year. I'm going to have to call her Monday and figure out how that's all going to work, because there is no extra spot anymore. But, you know, thankful for what we have. Thankful that we're going to be able to do this again this year. You know, there's always people who don't show up, and if it means me running way down there and planning some stuff down there because we don't have people that are showing up this year, then I'll do that. Got some couple big surprises for this year. I'll talk about maybe in a couple videos, but it involves sunflowers. And yeah, that's about it. So here's what we're looking at this year, 2021. We will be back at it here. I'm gonna start some seeds probably next video. I'm gonna do some tomatoes, and then we'll get everything plotted out on the computer and see how this garden's gonna look. But yeah, kind of bummed. Not exactly what we wanted, but we'll make best with it. So all right, you guys have a good day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.